I love this festival. This is a great festival. It has the essence of what festivals should have, and the wine is fantastic. I was dreaming in my dreaming. God knows a pure view. And as I surrender into my sleeping, I commit my dream to you. That the people have the power to redeem the work of fools. Upon the meek the graces shower. It's decreed the people rule. And I believe everything we dream can come to pass through our union. We can turn the world around. We can turn the earth's revolution. For the people have the power. To vote, to use your voice. Thank you.